let's give this a try. See, that all came together so quick and easy. Very good. This will make your Father's Day extra special. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Hi, thanks for joining. Today we're making pork tenderloin and mini roasted potatoes, just in time for Father's Day and for summertime barbecue. So for this recipe, you'll need a pork tenderloin. You need paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, olive oil, thyme, and mini potatoes. I'll have the full recipe at the end. Okay, so we're gonna start by rubbing our spices onto our pork tenderloin. You could definitely do this a couple days before. Just get the flavors all nice soaked in. And I do it this way. You can, apply the rub any which way that you would like. Make sure you put your rub quite heavily because you want it really seasoned. Grab my pork tenderloin. I'm going to put some olive oil over it. There we go. Now what I do is I just roll it right onto the spices. Then I'm gonna get my thyme and just put it on there. There we go. Once it's all coated, and wrap it. You can cook it right away, but I like to actually leave it marinating for a couple of days. I have one all ready to go. So this is what it looks like once it's been marinating. Okay, so I'm going to pop it in the oven and we're gonna bake it at 325 and we'll give it 45 minutes. So while our pork tenderloin is in the oven, we're going to just have our potatoes. We're going to add some olive oil, black pepper, some thyme, and garlic powder. You could definitely use fresh garlic as well, and salt. Just give it a mix. There we go, that's all you need. And then you're going to pour it on a tray there. Perfect. Okay, so your mini potatoes are ready for the oven. So now we're gonna make a sauce for our pork tenderloin. I'm gonna add some olive oil, some black pepper, some salt. And I'm just gonna put some garlic slivers. Takes no time at all, and I'm going to add just a little bit of paprika. I added just a little bit of water. You could use some vegetable stock if you like. There we go. All ready. Perfect. Ready. There we go. Beautiful. Here we go. Our roasted potatoes are ready. Okay, so we're all ready. Let's cut our tenderloin. Smells really good. Make sure when you remove your pork tenderloin from the oven, let it rest for about 5 minutes. You want all the juices to stay inside. Look at that, it's beautiful. There we go. So what I like to do also, get the nice juice from the roast and just pour it on top. Beautiful. Okay. Potatoes are ready. There we go, all ready for Father's Day. So we're going to plate it. This is a really nice recipe. You could do it on the barbecue, so perfect. And I've made the sauce. And all you want, if you wanted more, is just pour it on top. Piece of garlic. Look at that. Let's give this a try. See, that all came together so quick and easy. Very good. This will make your Father's Day extra special. So try this recipe and let me know in your comments how you enjoyed it.